Guys, check out my little handy dandy little tool. It's a solar panel, solar powered light. This is a little solar panel. Simply connect it in here, and then it'll recharge it. It's got a USB port, and at times when you need light, it works. Anyways, all right, guys. So here we got this Vega 850 GT Supernova power supply. So there you have it, folks. We got the instruction manual, a whole bunch of cables, as we can see, more stuff. So this is it. This is the power supply, and it's all glory. We got the cables, more cables. That's it. Now, here's the deal. I'm gonna use this power supply to temporarily power this crypto miner. But in the meantime, guys, I need to source out these parts and stuff so you guys can help me build this PC.